everybody, today I'm going to show you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV steps onto our SuperATV Nerf bars. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out where we want our steps to be. Just kind of lay them up into place, figure out the best spot for them, and then we're going to go ahead and remove our hardware. So we're going to go ahead and remove all 4 of our Allen headed screws out of each clamp. Then we're going to go ahead and head on over here to the machine. Go ahead and we'll get all of our Allen headed screws started into our Nerf bar. Then once we have them all started, we'll go ahead and fully tighten all of them in an X pattern. Let's go through and we'll double check all our hardware. Then we'll check our step out here, see how much easier it is. So that's way easier to get in this machine. The only alternative is to climb up the tire. Your tires are muddy, wet, slick. It can be kind of dangerous. You don't want to slide off the tire, get hurt, and ruin your weekend. That step, easy to install, and it makes a world of difference to get in this machine on 44s. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's Nerf bar step on this Polaris RZR. For more information on this Nerf bar step or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.